Dear children, this week we will do paper flower bouquet. Material needs are color papers, thermocol ball, fevicol, scissor, ready-made bow. Take any color paper. This is A4 sheet size. Fold it equally and then folded piece again you have to fold here. Then you have to cut here. Cut it like this, triangle shape, and if you open it will come 2 squares. Flower, each and every flower we need like this square paper. First you fold it corner to corner. Again here second folding. Again third folding. After that, in this one side you have to cut slantingly, and another one the same place itself you have to cut down. If you open it will come like this. Then here 8 pieces are there like a diamond shape. One you have to remove it. Then you have to paste it here. The petal should be like this, 6 petals should be come. Now in this one petal you have to put gum lightly. Then you have to paste it. You have to overlap the paper and then you have to paste it. Let it dry. Like this you have to make more. After dried and all, each and every petal use scissor and then you have to lightly you have to pull it. Then it will be bent like a flower petal. Don't tear the paper. Lightly you have to press the scissor and then pull it. And then all the flowers, each and every petal you have to pull it like this. Take any green paper, any color green, light or dark, like this triangle shape you have to cut up, and then the wrong side, the corner itself you have to fold tightly like a roll. The last itself you have to roll it like this. Both the side you have to tightly you have to roll. Then you have to put gum in the edges lightly. Then again you tightly roll it and then you have to stick the edges. After sticking the stem, take on rectangle paper and fold it. Cut the half piece. Again fold small piece. After that you have to cut down itself. The folding also you have to cut and remove. Both the side you are cutting. The corner and all you have to cut and remove. Both the edges. Like this shape will come. This is a leaf. Take flower in the back side you put little gum. Then the sharp place you have to paste it here. Like this all the flowers you have to paste the stem. Let it dry. See, in this stem itself you have to stick the leaf. In the edge only put gum. Little up you have to stick another one leaf. Little down you have to paste. Same little. And then after sticking, let it dry. After pasting the leaf in the middle, you can stick any beads or like this thermocol ball also you can stick. Now take another one color paper like a A4 sheet size. First in the 2 edges you have to fold it tightly. These 2 edges should be there. after folding we finish the flower. No, more like this colorful paper also you can use for that one. We have to paste it, each and every flower we have to paste it in the bouquet paper. We have to paste it. Whatever design shape you need, like that you have to arrange. This is paper, no? It will stick easily. After arranging the flower like this, take ready-made bow, otherwise satin ribbon also you can use. You have to tie it in the bow down. Now we finish our bouquet. Like this you have to create more different varieties. Thank you children. Have a nice day.